Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Sugar and Sprinkle. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make ginataang halo-halo. And if you want the recipe on this video, please check the description box below. So for the ingredients, as you can see in here, I have 3 types of sweet potato, and I'm also gonna be using banana. This one has purple inside and this one has white. I got this at my local Asian store, and this is more like the traditional sweet potato. And for the sago, I am using this kind. This only will cook in 5 minutes, so you don't have to cook it separately. And also we're gonna need coconut cream or coconut milk, and also some jackfruit or langka. And also we are gonna use this glutinous rice flour for our bilo-bilo and some ubi food coloring. So first steps is we're gonna make our bilo-bilo. So you're gonna add in like a teaspoon of the ubi flavoring. And to that you're gonna slowly add in water and mix. So just continue adding the water. I added like 1/4 of a cup until the mixture look like a dough. So now if you're satisfied with the color of your bilo-bilo, you can just leave it like that. Mine, I'm gonna add in like a drop of the purple food coloring. And just continue mixing until all the color are all mixed in. So it's time to shape our bilo-bilo. In here I have a tray. I line it with a non-stick aluminum foil. Now if you're using a regular aluminum foil or you're not using it at all, you have to sprinkle it with cornstarch so the mixture doesn't stick into the tray. So just take a piece of the mixture and then just roll it using your hand into a little circle. So in a large pot where we're gonna cook our ginataan, add in 5 cups of water and then bring it to the stove and let it boil. While our pot is preparing to boil, let's cut all our sweet potato. So I just cut them like into kind of triangle shape, or you can cut it into a cube shape or square, whichever you prefer. So now the pot is start to boiling, we can add in all our sweet potato in and let this simmer until the sweet potato gets tender or softened. And now we're gonna cut our jackfruit or langka. So I just divided my langka into 8 pieces. You can cut it smaller if you like. And for the banana, I just cut them into like 1/2 inch thick. And now our sweet potato is now cooked. If you put in a toothpick, the toothpick will go inside easily. Just add in my sago. So now our sago is cooked. We're gonna start adding our prepared bilo-bilo. So just throw it one by one to make sure they won't stick to each other. So after that, when the bilo-bilo is cooked, you're gonna add in your langka. And just slowly mix it in. And then cover it again until the langka is cooked. And then lastly, add in your banana. And just cook the banana for about like 2 to 3 minutes. Since it's ripe, it's not gonna take a long time to cook. So once everything is cooked, you're gonna add in your coconut milk. And then after adding your coconut milk, you're gonna add in your granulated sugar. Once the granulated sugar is dissolved, now you're gonna add in your thickener. This is a rice flour mixed in with water. You can also use cornstarch if that you have around. And then you're gonna stir it in until the mixture start thicken. So our ginataan is now done. And this is what it looks like. Mixture is not really thick, but when this get cold, it's gonna thicken up more. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.